Our story begins in the distant past with the humble plough. This simple yet ingenious tool, believed to be invented by the Sumerians around 6,000 years ago, marked the dawn of agriculture. The plough's primary function was to turn soil, bringing fresh nutrients to the surface while burying weeds and crop remains. This innovation enabled our ancestors to transition from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled farmers, sparking the rise of civilizations. Fast forward to the late 18th century, and we encounter the cotton gin. Invented by Eli Whitney in 1793, this machine revolutionized the cotton industry. The cotton gin could separate cotton fibers from their seeds far more quickly and efficiently than human hands ever could. This invention, while controversial due to its role in perpetuating slavery, undeniably transformed agriculture, making cotton a profitable crop and fueling the Industrial Revolution. Our next stop is in the early 20th century with the advent of the tractor. Invented by Benjamin Holt in 1904, the tractor was a game-changer. No longer were farmers reliant on animal labor to plow their fields and haul their crops. Tractors, with their power and durability, could do the work of several horses, increasing productivity and efficiency on the farm. As we move into the mid-20th century, we encounter the combine harvester. This mighty machine, which combines the tasks of reaping, threshing and winnowing, was a breakthrough in crop harvesting. First developed in the 1930s, the combine harvester allowed farmers to harvest crops more quickly and efficiently than ever before, significantly reducing labor costs and time. Our final destination lies in the 21st century, with the advent of precision agriculture. This technology, which includes GPS, satellite imagery and sensors, allows farmers to manage their farms with unprecedented accuracy. Precision agriculture enables farmers to apply water, fertilizers and pesticides more efficiently, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Invented in the early 2000s, precision agriculture represents the cutting edge of farming technology. From the humble plough to the high-tech world of precision agriculture, these 5 inventions have shaped the course of farming history. Each one, in its own way, has transformed agriculture, making it more efficient, productive and sustainable. So the next time you enjoy a meal, remember the technology that helped bring it to your table.